I have a problem. Or do I? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of What's in the Box, I know you know that I know, and we both know, and for those of you who just immediately skip to the end of the video, good for you. For the rest of us who are here for the content, this is Melt Cosmetics. I've done one of these boxes before and fell in love. I cannot help it. They are so good at all the stuff that they make. So they're having their like ooh, my headband fell. They're having their 13th birthday celebration bash event. And I bought this mystery box that has come to me from them. Does that make sense? Yeah. We're gonna open this together. See what's inside. Oh, tell me that is not great packaging. The bubble wrap, the filler paper, the no moving around, none whatsoever. The shuffling, nothing. I love this. I don't think. Oh, I do have it. My first ever Melt Cosmetics box. Can you? I'm gonna show you. You're gonna just scoot up a little bit. Way up there. You see it? Yeah. That lets you know I am truly a Melt Cosmetics fan. Can I put you back right way? But anywho, this is the current Melt Cosmetics box. This is a mystery box for their 13th birthday. It's supposed to be, it's $50. It's supposed to be $100 and some worth of stuff. Hopefully editing me. We'll put this in the description down below, but let's go through this together. See what I got. Help, ma'am. First of all, box, cutie patootie. Second of all, ma'am, please return to your seat. What is this? What is this? Are we a baby something? Oh, I'm a sucker for ultra matte lipstick. I'm a sucker for baby size things. This is the shade 710 Ultra Matte Lipstick. Are you part of my mystery bundle? Are you just a freebie? Shut the front door. Melt. No, you did not. There's a tiny little, you can't see it that well, and that's okay because I can see it and that's what matters. But it says right here melt because the tube is matte and then the thing is gloss, or it says melt. Oh, shut the front door. She's gorgeous. Sorry, I was just looking at my mirror to see if the color that I'm seeing is the color like that you can see, that I can look at her. Baby girl. Oh, I got some dents on it. That's okay. That's okay. That don't matter. That is the cutest. I don't know if you'll survive here in Arizona, outside my office. I live in southern Arizona, in case we're wondering. Oh, sorry, I keep slouching in my chair and it's hurting my back. I need to sit upright. But the rest of the box, let's pull it all out together. Okay. Oh, okay. Full bubble wrap. Thank you. Okay, I did get the SARIAN palette. I've had my eye on it. This is a Fatal Yours 2 palette, right? I wanted it, and then I was like, no, I shouldn't get it. And then I got the mirror, and then I was like, no, I shouldn't get it. And then they were like, it's going away, and I was like, I need to get it. So, come on. Oh, the packaging. The whole thing is just beautiful, but expect an entire dedicated video, probably videos, plural, many, coming soon. Oh, this is such cute. Oh, you can see the colors in the back, but let me open her up and show you. Fatally Yours 2. Look at this. It's raised. Can you kind of see it like when I shine the light on it? Like a smidge. She's gorgeous. Hi. Oh my god. So hear me out. You know how you have the clear protectors? Bailey SARIAN is the protector of the eyeshadow on here. You have the mirror, of course, but then you have like a little protector sheet thing. Is that not the coolest? Oh my gosh. And then the colors to die for. We have Noir. Nope, we're not getting into that right now. Pronunciation is irrelevant right now. We got Noir, Smoke, Glisten, Honey, Buff, Crimson, Fiery, and Kitty. I wish I was around and like paying attention to all good things when the first palette came out. I would have gotten it too. Oh god, it smells. It's like leather bound. Can you see this? It's squishy. That's like, oh my gosh. Make good choices. XO, Bailey SARIAN. I love me a murder, makeup, mystery, the whole shebang. Like I love Bailey. And then her latest video, she says all the things that like I'm feeling, and I'm like, am I crazy? No, because Bailey feels them too. Anywho, awesome. Not part of the not part of the birthday mystery bundle, but cute. So this whole little package here then is the mystery bundle. Ooh. Yes, it says Melt Cosmetics 2026 B-Day mystery bundle. If you're a B-Day mystery bundle, why are we all in here together? Let me take a look. Let me show you what I got. Baby girl. Can I dump these out? Oh no, I'll just pull it out one at a time. Is this a bag? Oh. It's a brush? Plastic. I love the smell of plastic. It's the 99 Mascara Fan Brush. Why does it come in this cute little bag, Milt? That's adorable. Oh, I'm a sucker for bags. Trinket little bags. This though, hello. Ooh. Oh, and the handle. This is beautiful. Can I use this to like, and then, oh wait, okay. Put this back. I need to stay on topic. Fan brush. I think I could find the prices and maybe put them below. If you know the prices or if you've used any of these products, like you love them, let me know in the comments below. I think this next item, let me put it on my lap. And I'll put these up here. Ooh, this is one of the little stacks. I've been eyeballing, but I was like, I don't need another, but I do. This is the Melt Cosmetics Petite Stack Ultra Pinks. Let me show you these ultra pinks. Oh my gosh, they are just like perfect, tiny. I don't think I have my other little, was it Kosas? I forget, but they were cute little eyeshadows. Ultra pinks, petite eyeshadow. Oh, we have ultra pinks, cotton candy, sparkling, vivid pink, magenta, and wild berry. Can I just see, like, okay, that's cotton candy. I should have gone through and showed you as I said them out loud, but I think these are so neat. Sparkling, yeah, that's perfect. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, vivid pink. It is. Oh man. Magenta. Oh, shut the front door. Magenta. These colors like are so beautiful. Oh, shut the front door. Wild berry? Yeah, wild berry. I want this all over me, just everywhere, everything. Gosh, these are so pretty. And it's so perfect to just toss in your bag and take with you. I hope they can stand up to being tossed in a bag and just taken with you, you know? I imagine they can. Have you guys used this? It was either between this one or is it the brown one? The brown one. I did have my heart on the brown one, and then they came out the pink one, and I was like, I kind of want the pink one. I don't know. So I couldn't choose, so I didn't pick one, but yeah. Next is a lipstick. Oh, in the shade Love Note, the Ultra Matte Lipstick. I don't know if I have an Ultra Matte aside from that new baby one. I think the one I have, wherever you are, is just a regular one. I keep taking it with me so it never stays on my desk because I love to use it all the time. And I love how they have the branding on the actual, all the freaking way up. All that's so beautiful. Mouth Cosmetics all over. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. Kind of okay. That's gorgeous. And I love how the magnet, like, it makes me feel like it's going to be safe if I toss it in something, like it's going to be okay. So that's 1, 2, 3 things so far. 4. How long has it been? It's got to be these are so cute though. Romeo. Faux Mink Vegan and Cruelty Free Soft, Fluffy, and Wispy Milk Cosmetic Lashes. A romantic, soft, and fluffy lash with wispy layers that creates dimensional volume and an effortlessly flirty finish. Yeah, you look like you do. Oh, I like those. It's been a while since I've used falsies, but I mean, if I have them. My go-to glue is the AOA Studio Glue. I know there's other glues, but like, have you guys tried the AOA Studio Glue with your lashes? Do you prefer a specific glue for your lashes? Let me know. I'm gonna go pick some up because I'm gonna be using that. And then we have the Super Natural Lash Beyond Natural Thickness Ultra Black Mascara. Shut up. Full fanned out impact. Intense ultra black pigments, volumizing natural fibers. Oh, I don't think I was aware of this, but I want this now on my face immediately. I have makeup on, but this came and I really wanted to go through it because I was really excited about what's going to be in here, and it's super late, but I just had to open this today, but I'm glad I did. Ooh, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6th, the 6th item is a lippy pencil. And the last time they sent me like a lippy pencil in the mystery kit, I fell in love and bought like 4 of them. They're so good. I love the way they feel. This shade is Toast. It's the Perfectionist Lip Pencil. Like, is this the shade? Because yeah, that's beautiful. Oh. I don't know what it is about the formula. I love that it's a pencil. It's a softer pencil, but a pencil nonetheless. It smells like a pencil. And I just love the way it feels. The way it goes on, the way it stays. It doesn't slip, it doesn't slide. She stays put. And that's everything. That's a whole birthday bundle. They gave a promised value of items, so I'm gonna have to look everything up and see. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this the promised value? I really hope it would be. I would imagine like 2, 4, 6, 8. Possibly. I don't know. It's over, I believe it's over 100. I'm not going to say it because I'm going to say something. It's going to be totally wild, crazy, and editing me is going to have the hardest time. But that's everything in my Melt Cosmetics mystery bundle for their 13th birthday. I love it. I I do. I really enjoy Melt Cosmetics. Do you guys like them too? Are you nervous? Are you unsure? Because let me tell you right now, you're going to love whatever you get. They're so good. Oh. Anywho, that's my video. I gotta go because it's pretty late and I want to get to bed soon. Let me know in the comments if you picked up the box and I'll catch you in my next video.